Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we ensure the processing of our LSA-ENDTAB-RND. Let's go and open up the box. For the first step, you require 1 part A, 4 parts C's, 8 parts number 1, 4 parts number 4. The item does come in the Allen key. You can use a power tool if needed. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 1 part B, 4 parts to the screws, 4 parts number 5. Let's assemble. When assembling, do not tighten the screw all the way. For the next step, require 2 previous assemblies, 4 parts number 2 the screw, 4 parts number 3 the feet. Let's assemble. We will be tightening all the screws now. Thank you for watching the assembly of our LSA-ENDTAB-RND. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our processing with more products. Thank you.